day we're gonna play basketball in the workshop, in the court. And I'm gonna test this while doing like first person game. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be hard because I have to hold this. But I need like the head strap thing or something to strap the camera onto me. So that's it. So I'm just gonna wait for my friends and get to the workshop. See you guys. And here are my bros and sis there. And there's this guy rapping. Keep rapping, bro.
No, I'm not rapping.
I'm
not rapping. I'm RJ.
Okay, he's RJ. So we're already here. The court is right there.
Haven't heard The Last of Us.
And have some fun, alright? Now, we played for a while. We're still gonna play. Yeah. Are you tired? No,
Yes.
you're not. Okay, you're tired.
I
No,
don't
you're
know.
not. Okay, that's good. And we're gonna. Yeah. So, gonna play some basketball. Really great training for me. We're gonna practice. So on our competition, which I'm gonna film, which is on February 28th.
Hey guys, I'm here.
It's gonna happen soon.
RJ.
Hey,
RD.
hey, what's up?
Video.
He's also filming. So yeah, we're about to start now.
Throw on the ball.
All right. I'm gonna shoot. It's shoot, man. I don't know if this will work. It's just for fun. Still gonna continue the vlog. We're gonna go to each other's houses, play some video games like we always do. Every day, every night, every day. So here we go. Playing again. Jump shot. Oh! Sweet. Alright. Here we go, here we go. Oh, I missed it again. It's really hard to play. Alright, alright. Man, a free throw, alright?
Free throw. Oh!
Man, it's hard. Sweet. Okay, other side. Alright. I'm gonna shoot it. Yeah, son. Get it, son. Alright. Free throw. Why? Alright. There we go. Got that one.
Fail.
Also, we're gonna play a little bit of badminton. Yeah. Here you go. Right. For the jump shot. Oh! Can't do it. But it's cool though. Here we go again. For the jump shot. Boom! Finally. Alright. Shoot! Alright. That's enough, guys. Yeah. Yeah, later. So that's what we do. Shooting. Hey, shoot it at Julia. Boom! And there's this other guy who vlogs too. Hey! Hey you!
Hey me.
Hey!
Hi.
Hey!
Hello.
That's what we do.
Yeah,
Fun
we
of
vlog.
vlogging because we got a lot of stuff going on in our life.
Video my cell phone. Videoing RD.
I'm videoing myself. Hey guys, it's our dragon tree.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Video.
Feels so good to be outside for a while. Woke up really early, 5 in the morning.
Surprising, I slept 2 o'clock in the morning and I woke up 7.
Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we roll.
Julian doing double dribble. Only I can zoom in while I'm videoing right now.
Yeah. So, yeah.
I got a lot of subscribers.
One day I will buy a game recorder, guys. Play some cool games. I got lots of games to play. I'm just gonna restart them. Just some games. But
Yeah, like your Skyrim game.
yeah, I haven't
Like your
finished.
Skyrim game, that's perfect for
I'm gonna buy it on my computer, but I already have it on
and
my PS3.
if I get the game recorder, it's perfect for me. I know lots of glitches in Skyrim.
But
Things you can use.
this guy is a gaming
Yeah,
dude.
gaming guy.
I play games too, but not a lot. But I love playing. It's part of my stuff. Let's just film.
Random plastic.
Boom.
Oh my
Dude, it's alive.
Oh, we're videoing the same plastic. Stop.
Maybe it's gonna kill us or something.
Oh my god, it knows we're not human.
Okay. Oh,
It's moving again. Oh my god.
how does that work, man?
Magic.
Come, let's run. They might kill us. All right, let's go. Let's go. Julian, pass me the ball. Pass me the ball. Nice pass. I'm gonna shoot it. Oh man. Oh no. Filming the plastic.
Filming the plastic. It might know something.
Do you know something?
Yes.
You can talk, man. We're gonna block him. We're gonna block him. Boom! Oh man. You have to block him. Alright. And we're gonna lift some weights there. Let's do it! Let's go, Kuya. Let's do some weightlifting stuff. Let's go.
Still.
Yeah, still. And this is like where my father's right there. Say hi, Dad!
Hi, Dad.
Yeah, that's my dad. That's my dad. That's my... I will.
What?
So this is the workshop. This is where my dad
works. Playing.
and this is where we train most of the time.
We can't play badminton because it's windy.
It's too windy.
Although it being windy does not explain why that plastic is moving.
Yes. Oh yeah. It's crazy. There's Julian all alone.
There's a tip.
See?
For all you
Look, he's making dramatic stuff. Go, Julian.
loner.
Loner boy.
Yeah, Julian. Little boy.
Shoot it, Julian. I'm filming.
Oh,
Shoot it. Jump shot.
Alright, tip for all vloggers. Do not record vertically. Stop. Right? I mean, why would you want to record like this?
Yeah, it's really, I tried it once. It was
It's
a bad
really,
thing.
it's nice like this. Especially if you're watching YouTube and you video it like this, it looks weird.
It's like I should show the full screen.
Yeah.
So here goes Julian.
Yeah.
It's about to dunk. Julian will dunk.
Get dunk yet. My ball in distance. You see it, guys? Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
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 What do they mean by go?
Wait. Let's do a few jump shots. Alright. Kuya. Believe I'm gonna shoot this. Then if I shoot this, you have to subscribe.
My iPhone is the proof of your failure.
You have to subscribe. Okay. Go.
Yo.
There we go.
Oh. Oh.
Alright. See ya, guys. Yeah. Cool. And we're heading to his house again. Gonna play some video games. Cool games. I don't know what you wanna play.
I have no idea.
Yeah. So we're just gonna wait until we get there. Alright, see you guys here. Been here for a few hours. Just took a bath because we're almost gonna go to the school for basketball clinic. And Julia already left. They left early because they had taekwondo training. I'm here right now. Yeah, we just played some Tennis Warriors Gundam 3. Yeah, and it's really fun. And I slept also. I also fell asleep. Just my head was kind of aching. Here, just messy. It's we're gonna clean up later, and just gonna wait until we get there. See you guys.
I'm reading this thing you make for taco.
Yeah, we're almost. I mean, not almost. We're about to go to
Basketball clinic.
basketball clinic. Yeah,
I'm gonna go inside the school with my iPhone, my flashlight.
and he's gonna vlog too.
I'm gonna sneak in.
Yes. Alright, see you guys. Again. Didn't get to film it, but it's fine. He's right here. Really tired. I'm fine.
I'm not tired.
He's not tired, but I'm fine. Just waiting. Just buying something there. Yeah. And when I get home, just gonna rest. So I'm really tired. I'm not tired. Yeah, I'm not tired. But I just wanna rest. Alright, see you guys.